office of the Vice President. This decision was not made lightly, but rather arrived at after careful reflection and deliberation. I would like to inform the body that we are in receipt of a letter dated 10 September 2024 and I will read the letter. It is addressed to the Speaker. Dear Speaker Romualdez, the Office of the Vice President has submitted all necessary documentation to the House of Representatives Committee on Appropriations, including a detailed presentation on the proposed budget for fiscal year 2025. I have also articulated my position on the issues outlined in my opening statement during the previous hearing on 27 August 2024. We defer entirely to the discretion and judgment of the committee regarding our budget